All right, the moment of truth. Let's see how this valve cover looks. Oh. Nah, just joking. YouTube. What is going on? This is Buzzy Motorsports, and today I have an exciting episode for you guys. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the accessories off and also the valve covers to see what's going on underneath. In the previous video, you've seen that we looked at the port and there's a whole bunch of gunk and stuff in there, and I want to see how these valve covers look before we send it off to the shop to get work done. So please like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that noti bell, and enjoy the video. Success on getting the fan off. It's this bolt right here, back here, or sorry, this nut that screws into this, and you have to keep this from spinning to get this off. So put vice grips or whatever on the back of here to stop it from moving, and then use a pipe wrench or whatever you got to get this nut to start spinning off of this, and then boom. That's how you get it done. Let's continue to get this thing taken apart. More skin come off. All right, YouTube, we almost have this thing off. Kind of surprised me, to be honest. Yeah, and I didn't think it was going to take this little to get it off, but here we are. Nice. Booyah! And we got power steering stuff going everywhere. Great. Well, boom. We got a good portion of the accessory drive off. Now we just got to get the water pump off. There we go. Water pump's off. Like I said, there's some coolant leaking. That's to be expected. We got some rust. Got some rust in there. And let me bring you guys in closer to this. All right, YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you guys the 6 bolts that need to be unscrewed. So you got one right here, one right there, no, one right there, one right there, and one right there. And then the other 3 are right here. But look at this. Look at this. It's cracked. They just broke it off. I'm pretty sure that's the thermostat that's completely broke. So be cautious of when you do get a engine from a junkyard. We've already found a few different problems with it. We have a thermostat that's broken off. We have improper sealing of the valve covers. We have a whole bunch of gunk on the rockers. We have water in the valleys there and the heads. So there's just a few things that we've already found that's the issue with this thing, and we don't even have a lot of it off. So we're just going to keep on going, keep on trudging forward to get this thing apart. Okay, so the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the valve covers off, and then we're going to be looking at the rockers and everything else that's in there to make sure that they're okay. I might be turning this thing over a little bit just to see how it turns over with the valve covers off, so just to see if anything's stuck. But like I said before, this thing was rotating really, really nicely. So I think that gunk on there didn't really affect the motor, and I don't even think the motor was running when that gunk got into that port there. So like I said, we're just going to get these valve covers off, but first we have to get the coil packs off of here. I think those are 10 millimeters. So here we go. Oh, it just hit me in the no-no square. Coil packs are off. Get out of there. Lost a couple of the screws here. All right, the moment of truth. We got the coil packs off. Now we got to just get the valve covers off, and let's hope it looks good. All right, let's see how this one looks. You got some gunk in here, but actually it doesn't look all that bad. I mean, these are a little filthy, but yeah, surprisingly not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'll take that any day of the week. All right, let's get this next one off. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see how this valve cover looks. Oh. Nah, just joking. It looks like a valve train. And yeah, that's looking good too. Nope, I lied. That's disgusting. Okay. Well, let me get you guys in here and see what I'm looking at here. So YouTube, here we are. Look at the valve covers here, or sorry, the valve train, and it's not looking that bad. I mean, this side's a little bit more dirty, a little bit more gunk on the bottom here, but this rocker was the one I was worried about getting a whole bunch of gunk on it and being full of just disgustingness, and it's just perfect. It's great. So let's look at the other side. But before that, you can kind of see little dirty on the top there, but nothing too bad. And then here's the other side here. This side looks a lot cleaner than the other one, but yeah, not much play in there at all. So I'm really happy with that. And yeah.